People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti today vacated the official accommodation provided to her in Islamabad district of South Kashmir. Mehbooba, who was one of the 8 former legislators, had previously vacated a high security official bungalow in Gupkar area in Srinagar after getting a notice from the authorities. Parts of Dal Lake have been frozen due to severe prevailing cold weather conditions, and night temperature recorded a further drop in Kashmir Valley as well as in Ladakh. Small streams connecting the interior parts of the Dal Lake were covered with a thick layer of frozen ice sheets. It experienced the coldest night temperature of the season, with mercury plunging to -3.4 degrees. Indian American Muslim Council and Hindus for Human Rights, along with their allies, have expressed disappointment over the US State Department's failure to follow recommendations of the United States Commission on International Religious Freedom and designate India as a country of particular concern, a label reserved for the world's most dangerous violators of religious freedoms. The USCIRF in a statement expressed its outrage over the State Department's failure to list India as a country of particular concern. People held protest demonstrations against the authorities' anti-people policies in Baramulla and different areas of Jammu. Sarpanchs and Panchs of Uri in North Kashmir's Baramulla district held a protest. The protesters blocked the Srinagar-Muzaffarabad road near Sub-District Hospital Uri and were chanting slogans against the authorities. Similarly, people from Khour, Pallanwala and neighboring areas staged a protest demonstration against Health Department, demanding posting of specialized doctors in Khour. People from villages assembled outside Press Club Jammu and raised slogans against the health authorities. Attaching or confiscating the Kashmiris' properties by the Modi regime has become the new normal in the occupied Kashmir. According to a report released by the Kashmir Media Service, attaching properties of the Kashmiris is a sheer political vendetta on part of the Modi's Hindutva regime, adding Indian troops are regularly destroying the Kashmiris' houses during violent military operations. It said the RSS-backed Modi regime is hell-bent on depriving the Kashmiris of their lands, properties and jobs and demolishing their houses. All India Muslim Personal Law Board will move the Indian Supreme Court against a Central Bureau of Investigation special court acquittal of all the 32 persons involved in the 1992 Babri Masjid demolition case. The CBI court had acquitted the accused in the case. The 2-member bench of the High Court rejected the revision petition this year, saying the applicants had no locus standi to challenge the judgments as they were not victims of the case. The board has now decided to move to the Supreme Court against the acquittal.